Well, I can't, but these people behind me certainly can, and I will try to do my best to use their example to give you an idea as to what they're doing. Basically, mechanical engineering in CAD is all about the visualization of a concept, because what they have to do, they have to 3D model a thing, then produce photo-rendered images, and then run simulations, and it's all about exploring ideas. For instance, this Colombian competitor over here, she has a blueprint opened on one of her monitors, and on an adjacent monitor to the right there is her putting this into life. So basically she's turning a blueprint, a 2D, a flat image, into a 3D model of some part. And speaking of where these parts are being used in, well, it's all sorts of places, from cars to space exploration to ships. Basically, if they're designing a new part, if there's a new design, then they will have to have a person like this to visualize this, and then a bunch of other experts will, I think, look at it and tell if they're happy with the design, if they think it will work or not. And the simulations they run, those will help. Now, I'm being joined by Fabio Souza, who's the chief expert here from Brazil. And in fact, we have a larger screen here to check out what one of the other competitors is doing. And Fabio here, he will help me understand what this is and what is going on right now. So Fabio, thank you very much for your time. Please, what is going on?
Hello to everyone. Welcome to skill number 5. And our skill is one of the base of industry, because everything starts with drawings, and now we are working live with everything is 3D. Here in number 5 we will find powerful computer, powerful softwares, 3D printer and 3D scanners. First day we have the design day. You give some problems to the computers to solve, like to design robots, to design machines, and the computers make his solutions using 3D printer. Second day is day for mechanical fabrication, to work with 3D welds and 3D structures. And this day is the mechanical assembly day. This problem is one pedal box. Competitor must design some parts and must make assembly, make exploded view. And tomorrow we will have the reverse engineer day, and the competitor will use 3D scanner. That is something in high level to make new parts using only lights. And after this, to design the part again using our software. It's everything that is new in industry, and is quite important because the industry is using this technology to solve its problems.
Well, as the world moves forward, as there is more and more new stuff coming out, as there are more advanced cars, there are cars that can drive themselves now, you know, on autopilot. All of these new inventions, they require new parts that have never perhaps even existed before. So I guess that puts, you know, a mechanical engineer in a good place career-wise, doesn't it?
Okay, because when we talk about drawings, our skill is necessary to keep contact with the industry, to get the information about new technology like 3D printer. We start the industry with removing material from the parts. Now we are working with put the materials, make part from zero and give materials to have the parts. This is one knowledge that is included in our skill, and everything that is new we are combining with drawings. And because of this, that I think we are in the base of the mechanical engineer. Everything needs to be solved, and we are here to give solutions to industry. And this is important to keep a contact and everything to make like a chain. Everything depends, one depends of another.
Yeah, I just wanted to talk a little bit about this word drawing, because I think it might give a wrong idea. It might be a bit misleading, because normally people, when you say a drawing, they think about just a flat image, just in pen or in pencil or something. This is not just an image, right? They have to count in all sorts of other stuff, like material, right? Tell us more.
Yes, we have the software is possible to put materials, to make some calculations. It's possible to you to turn the part. Here is a flat drawing, but we have possibilities to put the measures. In this test, we have one part that is necessary to make measures in 3D files, and we can get a lot of information about using these 3D files. And nowadays we imagine a lot of different kind of 3D files here, It's not easy, and it's possible to give a lot of solution from this 3D file. Like a part 3D here can be sent to a CNC machine to make a new part from the 3D file, or to make a 3D printer, or to make in a 3D printer, or it's possible to use this to make some calculations in another software, and everything is possible to simulate one machine working, or simulate to transfer one machine from one part to another. Here, with the support of a powerful software, we can do too many things as the industry needs. It was necessary industry.
And talk about, I mean, if a person gets an already, for instance, talk about troubleshooting, right? If a person gets a blueprint like this, like a model, which has some fault in it, they can reverse engineer it, right? They can kind of take it apart, see what's wrong, like kind of get into its guts and see what's inside. Is that going to be a part of the competition?
In our skills, we have 3D scanner to use this. And over the past, we make everything by hand using manual instruments, and it was good, but not enough for today, because parts can be more complex, and the time is coming to be less than it was possible. And when we use 3D scanner, it's possible to keep this time shortly, and you increase quality, reduce time, and use this to solve problems. This is the first time that you are using 3D scanner in our skill, and it was amazing for us.
Okay, Fabio Souza, thank you very much. Okay, that's, I mean, if you like drawing things, and if you like making things, and if you want to have a cool 3D printer on your desk, then, well, mechanical engineering might be for you.